Back, some high school students at Camarillo are getting a real hands-on education thanks to a one-of-a-kind farm program. They aren't just learning about farm animals, they are raising them. Our Colleen Sullivan shows us how.
Addison Bowles hand feeds the great Hambino, her 202-pound pig she has raised since it was a piglet.
I've learned a lot from this program. I've learned responsibility for one, because you have a whole animal that you have to take care of. So I've learned how to do that, which has definitely helped prepare me for so many ways.
Hambino's well-being is Addison's summer commitment. She and a small group of students from Adolfo Camarillo High School are enrolled in the school's agriculture program.
We have a really unique program because we're one of the few schools that actually do have a farm on our campus. So it's a great opportunity that we get to, we're in the classroom, we're learning about agriculture, and then we can step outside and directly apply what we're learning.
While other area schools have an agricultural program, this is the only high school in the country that breeds its own animals on site. There's no sleeping in for these students. They're up early, feeding, walking, and grooming their animals in preparation to show them off at the Ventura County Fair.
It seems like a lot of work and you do put a lot of time and effort into it, but it's fun at the end of the day, especially when you just need some time to just cool off. Girl, see? It's not so bad.
Each animal must meet its weight and size requirements to enter the livestock competition. Getting to the fair makes all those early morning feedings worth it.
Carp, Santa Paula, Fillmore, they all have one, and it's really cool because at fair you get to meet new people from different high schools and you can get a connection with them and learn things about them.
The wider the waistline for Hambino, the more attractive to the judges. Only 18 pounds to go for this swine to qualify to enter the fair. Colleen Sullivan, ABC7 Eyewitness News.